Some tasks are dispatched frequently, but not necessarily on any set schedule. For example, a work order is generated and assigned to a technician when a customer schedules a repair service. Task templates store the details of this task, and all you need to do is assign it. Navigate to Task Templates under Tasks and Dispatch. Click Add New. Name the template and provide details about the task. Decide whether to allow file attachments. The Create as Draft option will prevent the task from being sent immediately. This will allow your admins to create multiple tasks ahead of time and sent at a later time. In the advanced options, the default status labels may be used, or you can create your own. Go to Step 2. Name the task and configure the settings as desired. If you are using groups and the same group will typically be assigned to this task, then setting the Assigned To at this point will save time in the future. Go to Step 3. Configure the activities for this task. Go to Step 4. Presets allow you to choose fields that the admin must answer before the task is assigned. For example, the reference number and facility address. Go to Step 5. Connectors allow you to trigger an action, such as an email reminder, based on the task status and number of days. For example, if you would like to remind the technician of the appointment one day before, run the connector on Overdue and set it to -2 days. Check the box to send this notification to the assigned user. Click Create. The new task template is now available in the list. Hover over the row to view available shortcuts to edit the template. To use a task template, navigate to Current Tasks and click Add New. Under the Create a Task from a Template drop-down, select your template and click Create.